How to use Turbuhaler. Hold the inhaler upright, unscrew the cap and take it off. Keep the Turbuhaler upright until you are ready to inhale the dose. Twist the color clip as far as it will go, then twist it all the way back until the click is heard. For Symbicot, twist 3 times at the first time used. Breathe out away from the device. Put the mouthpiece between your teeth and seal your lips tightly around it. Breathe in forcefully and deeply through your mouth. Remove the Turbuhaler from your mouth and hold your breath for 10 seconds or as long as comfortable. Breathe out slowly through your mouth or your nose. Clean the mouthpiece by tissue or dry lint-free cloth. Replace the cap. Don't twist the clip again. You should twist the clip only the time of use. Rinse your mouth with water after using Turbuhaler. How to know when to replace your Turbuhaler? Always check the number in the side counter window under the mouthpiece to see how many doses are left. Some Turbuhaler show half red mark. It's about 20 doses left. If full, that means your medication is running out. Other recommendations: repeat all steps for each puff ordered by your physicians. Wait 1 to 5 minutes in between puffs. If you have 2 types of device, you should use the bronchodilator device first. Wait a few minutes and then follow the corticosteroid device. Use the Turbuhaler continuously, followed by the doctor order. Should not stop the medication by yourself.